This is why you need to check out Contra if you're freelancing. Contra is a commission-free freelance marketplace built for remote workers and independent pros. Unlike other platforms, Contra doesn't take a cut from your earnings. Clients pay a set price and you keep everything. So, how does Contra work? Setting up a profile is a breeze. It feels more like creating a personal website than a typical freelancer listing. You can showcase your work, highlight your skills, and even customize project-based pricing. Plus, Contra offers a more curated experience, meaning less competition compared to massive platforms like Fiverr. Now let's talk about the pros. The biggest advantage? No commissions, which means more money in your pocket. Second, Contra makes it super easy to create a slick, professional portfolio. It also has built-in marketing tools to help you share your services on social media and attract potential clients. But what about the cons? Since Contra is still growing, there are fewer job opportunities compared to Upwork or Freelancer. Also, because it's a curated platform, you may need to apply to be listed in certain categories. If you're just starting out with no experience, it might take longer to land your first client. So is Contra right for beginners? If you're looking for a professional, commission-free platform and are willing to market yourself, it's definitely worth exploring. But if you need instant gigs, you might find more opportunities on larger platforms. What do you think? Have you tried Contra? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on remote work and freelancing. See you in the next video.